Ever wondered why some people have small, round, non-painful bumps under their skin? These are often sebaceous cysts, a common skin condition that can affect anyone at any age. Sebaceous cysts form when the sebaceous glands, which produce the oil that lubricates our skin and hair, get blocked. This blockage could be due to various factors including injury, a faulty gene, or even a swollen hair follicle. When these glands get blocked, they continue to produce oil, but it has nowhere to go. Over time, this oil, along with dead skin cells and other debris, accumulates to form a cyst under the skin. Now, how can someone recognize a sebaceous cyst? They typically appear as small, round bumps under the skin. They can vary in size and are usually not painful unless they become infected. They can occur anywhere on the body, but are most commonly found on the face, neck, and torso. If a cyst becomes infected or inflamed, it may become red, tender, and swollen. Other symptoms may include a thick, yellow, smelly material that drains from the cyst, a blackhead plugging the central opening of the cyst, or a slight increase in size over time. So how are sebaceous cysts treated? If a cyst is not causing any discomfort, it may not need any treatment. However, if it becomes large, painful, or infected, medical intervention may be necessary. This could involve antibiotics to treat the infection or surgical removal of the cyst. It's important to note that you should never try to squeeze or pop a cyst at home. This can lead to infection and scarring. In summary, sebaceous cysts are a common skin condition that occur when the sebaceous glands get blocked. They are typically harmless, but can cause discomfort if they become large or infected. Treatment options include antibiotics and surgical removal, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional if you suspect you have a sebaceous cyst. Remember, understanding our bodies and the various conditions that can affect us is the first step towards maintaining good health. Knowledge is power, and the more we know, the better equipped we are to take care of ourselves. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay healthy.